Dang it, you cut out at the packaging stand.
Okay, hold on. I should be live. Okay, can anyone hear me? We cut out. Okay, guys, let me know if I'm back. So sorry, what a mess. I went to put you in the stand, and it paused it, and I was watching you, and no one could hear me. Hey, Bev. Hey, Jessica. Yay. Okay, so you can hear me. We're good. We're back. We're live.
Not me, but you go right ahead.
Okay, I'm going to raise this
Somebody
up.
write a comment so I can
They
see.
did. They said, yeah. They're writing them
See,
now.
I'm not getting any comments.
Okay. Found ya. Okay, I'm going to let everybody jump on. I just release that. All right, y'all, bear with me. I'm getting Mom set back up. All right, there we are. Okay. Are we good? Yay, yay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, I can't see. Okay, y'all. So, I really can't see, so Mom, I'm relying on you to look at all of them. Okay, so this one, y'all, has been on this this board with the butter bleed for like a month. It's okay. Don't worry about it. So y'all, I can't see the comments, so I will just have to answer. If you have questions, I'll have to answer those tomorrow. So this butter bleed is like I said, this has been on here forever. I just attached them to this board with a dab of the icing, and I took this one off so that you could see. So I just put a dab on there, and then it's stuck, right? So these are the 10-inch cake boards, right? Let me turn this way so you can see. There we go. These are the 10-inch cake boards, and then I ordered, these are the they are, doesn't say on here, but yeah, it's 200 pieces. This is the cheapest I could find. If you can find them somewhere else, y'all, please let me know. They're 13 by 15-inch cellophane bags, self-sealing. You can heat seal them, but these are self-sealing. So you can do one of two things. When I put these in this bag, you can either seal it like this, and then I stack them in the freezer like this, and you're good to go like this, and you just seal it. Or if you want to take an extra step, as a matter of fact, I'm going to grab a cookie. Hold on one second. I want to show you something that I did last year when, when I made it. I offered this option as well. It just, I don't know, it dressed it up a little bit. So I added one cookie. This is a 2.5-inch circle, which everybody has one. If you want to put this in the center and just flood it, I did a plaid. I painted just a plaid design on it and wrote Happy Thanksgiving or Give Thanks or whatever you want to do. Like if your edges in here, you need to clean those up, you know what I mean? Pop a cookie right on top. So you could do that. You also could take this bag and do a bow if you wanted to put a bow on it as well. I just wanted to make it as cost effective as humanly possible so that you made the most amount of profit. I'm fluffing them over like this and I'm sealing them, and this beautiful platter is the artwork. You know what I mean? So that you're not having to add additional cost. I'm going to grab the sheet. And we're going to go over this one more time. So this is the pricing scenario sheet. If you want to screenshot it real quick. I don't know if let me make sure I've got it. There you go. This is also in the feed. This is what I came up with because if you're charging $60 for this platter, first of all, my advice would be, if it looks like this, do it. If the demographics where you live can handle it, do it. That makes it $7.42 a cookie because this packaging, when you break it down per piece, is 67 cents total for the 10-inch round and the 13 by 15-inch cellophane self-sealing bag. If you charge $50 a platter, you're getting $6.17 per cookie, and packaging is still the same. If you charge $40 a platter for this cookie, you're getting $4.92 per cookie and 67 cents. The packaging is the same. Just when you do this, make sure that your time, that you can do it in a manner. You do this a couple of times and you're going to get quicker at it. And it's going to be, I want it to be profitable for you. I don't want you to be spinning your wheels going, oh my gosh, I can't believe I made this stupid pie. Like I'm not making any money. You know what I mean? And obviously, if you want to charge 45 or 55, your numbers are going to be in between here. But I posted this on the feed. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to walk you back over to the cookie that we decorated and maybe try my best not to mute you. Okay, so here we are back here. Let me see. Let me mute you. There we go. Okay, so now I can see your comments. Y'all let me know. Thanks so much for sharing. Yada, yada, yada. Hey there. You're a gem. I'm about to turn into something. I'll watch the rest later. Thanks, Harriet. Let's see if I missed anything. Yay. Thank y'all so much for hanging in there with me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the extras, pricing, packaging. Everything was great. Thank you. If y'all have any other questions, or you wake up and you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I'd asked this. My email, I'm going to put my email address in there as well, but it's beth@thevanillan.com. I can't wait to see y'all's creations. I'll drop a hashtag in the feed of the event as well so that we can share and see each other's. Y'all let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. And I had a great time. Hey, Corey. I'm still here because I'll be up till 3 a.m. Thank you for everything. Now I'm scared to go for it. I'm not scared to go for it. Good, Leslie. You got this. Everybody can do it. It's so easy and you can't mess it up.
How many cookies does your recipe make?
Okay, so that's another thing. Thank you so much, Beth. I'm going to put my recipe up, my cookie recipe in there also. And I usually do 4-inch cookies, and it makes I can get about 24 to 30 4-inch cookies out of my cookie recipe. And I will post that tomorrow as well. Thank you so much, Orders Cookie Cutters. Yay, I'm so glad y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. So sorry I got cut off. Operator error. I went to put it in the packaging area and I just paused it and couldn't get you back. And I just saw y'all leaving one by one. I was like, don't leave. But again, thank y'all for hanging in there with me and being patient. I hope to get together maybe another class on icing consistency, but I can't thank you enough, and I'm so glad you came. I will see y'all later. Let me know if you have any questions.